Hey guys, Happy New Year! Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Today we're gonna do this super easy rose gold halo eye, midnight glow, halo, whatever you want to call it. It was really easy, I promise. I only used 2 palettes. I think you'll like it. Let's begin. Alright, I've already prepped and primed my face, so we're ready to begin. The 2 palettes that I'm using is the Coastal Scents Creative Me and the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is one of my favorite palettes ever. First, I'm going to take this fluffy LMR blending brush and go in with the shade MFEO. Next, I'm going to take a small shader Hydra-Mist Glam brush and go in with the purple from the Coastal Scents palette. And I'm going to start packing that into my lid. I go in several times and really pack on the color. That way I can get it as bright and dark as I want to. I don't show all of that in this video for editing purposes because I did have to go in a few times. But as you can see, I did get it pretty purple. Then I just went back in with that fluffy LMR blending brush and started blending everything out. Next, I just took a black kohl eyeliner pencil. This is an e.l.f. eyeliner pencil, and applied that in my waterline on the bottom and tight lined on the top. Now I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on a flat Luxie brush to carve out the center, making that halo. I'm just using my finger to blend that out with the purple. That way we have a nice transition blended effect. Now I'm going to use the Ciatel London. I don't know if that's how you say it. I guess it'd probably help if I had it turned the right way. So this is the Lustre Pink Cream Shadow that I'm using. This is what's going to really help to make that glow. I'm just going to take that flat shader Luxie brush again and apply that over where I had the concealer, carving out that halo. Then I'm going to go back in with the Creative Me palette using that purple on a Morphe brush and just applying that purple to kind of blend those colors together. Okay, next I'm going to use the Balm Cosmetics eyeshadow. This is in the shade Iced Tea. I actually got it in one of my Ipsy bags, and it is the perfect color just to help set that pink cream eyeshadow because it does tend to kind of flake off. And then I just took a small shader brush using that purple color and applied that along my lower lashes, blending out that black eyeliner. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy Luxie brush, and I'm just going to mix the 2 pinks together in that Coastal Scent palette to help blend that purple out on the bottom lash line. That way you just get that nice blended kind of smoky eye effect. Now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Graphic Marker Eyeliner in the shade Airliner Blue and just apply that on my top lash line. Today I'm going to use the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara on the top and bottom lash line. This is one of my favorite mascaras. Of course, you got to make the mascara face when you put it on. It's just not possible to not make the face. So then I just went in with a brow bone highlight using the Jaclyn Hill palette in the shade Beam on a small shader brush and applied that on my brow bone. This is the Pacifica Bronzed Rose Blush and Bronzer Combo. I got this in my Ipsy bag as well, and I love how it has the mirror on the back. I just think it's so cool. This is a Vasanti brush. I think it's Vasanti. Anyway, I love to use it when applying blush. Time for highlight. This is one of my favorite highlighters. It is the OFRA Star Island highlighter, and I'm just taking another Luxie brush, I think. Nope, sorry, this is an Hydra-Mist Glam brush. You can always tell because she uses the cute little gems on the little brush handle. Anyway, just applying that on all of the high points of my face. Then I took a smaller, this is a Luxie shader brush, and applied that on my nose, chin, and tip of my nose. And lastly, to finish the look and tie it all together, we're gonna use the OFRA Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. And again, I can't seem to get my world right side up today. This is in the shade Mocha. I love this formula. It goes on so easily. It feels like velvet. It dries quick. You can't even feel it. It is amazing. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. This look was really easy. Anyone can really do it. I only used 2 palettes. Most of the colors were in the Creative Me palette. It was really simple to do. Like this video if you love the color purple. Like this video if you like the color pink. Or if you hate the colors purple and pink. Who cares? Just like this video. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. I hope you will join me next time. Bye guys.